And today we're going to do a
This is made by honey. Honey and sticky rice. Oh, look at my hand. Honey and sticky rice. Fermented to it. Very hard, right? This is white flour, cornstarch, corn flour. Now making this is Korean traditional king dish, king biscuit, all handmade. Left or right or make hole and stretching, little by little, slowly, little by little. I'm making 16,384 thread. 16,384 thread. Stretching. Now honey 1, right? Honey 1, doubling 2, 2 double 4, doubling 8, 8 double, 60, 30, 32, 60, 64, 1, 128, 2, 256, 5, 5 on the 12. Now middle size 1024. Look at my hand. Wow. OMG. Not yet. Keep going. 2,000, 4,000, 8,000. Lots counting. 16,384.
Outside made by honey. All handmade.
Looks like my grandmommy hair.
16,000 sweet.
Amazing, right?
Outside honey.
And inside the two kind of flavor.
Inside 7 kind of nut flavor.
One more cutting.
Chocolate and nut flavor. Korean traditional dish.
7 kind of nuts and chocolate, 2 kind of flavor. One more cutting. Very pudding. Rolling. Yummy. Masala, so from
Nut
masala.
flavor, not so sweet.
One bar, 10 piece, 6,000. 6,000. Outside they keep 1 month. 1 month. Refrigerator inside 3 months, okay?
6,000.
Bring back home, no problem.
Which flavor is good? The almond or the
Nuts
chocolate?
and chocolate. Half and half best. Half and half. Half and half.
This is chocolate.
Baby.
Chocolate.
You can bring back Indo, no problem. India.
Very soft and very. 1 bar, 6,000. Nuts and chocolate. Half and half best.
Nuts and chocolate.
Very good. Maybe if you buy pasalubong set, 6 by free 1, 10 bucks by free 2. Pasalubong
Buy
set.
6.
Oh no, Papa. Mama, 1 by.
건방아.
Masala.
그래서 고추를 넣어줘.
Yung almond, meron ko.
If you buy 6 by.
Hi guys! Go.
My name is Sausage Zara Beer 4. Take that.
Go.
I am a Gianna girl.
And I'm the icing on the top. So today, what are we gonna do today, guys? So we're gonna do some arts and crafts with a twist. Today's video is we're gonna unbox the already unboxed Korea traditional sweet, and we will do a taste test. So basically, this one is sweet. It's a traditional Korean candy treat. What is this kind of food? It's made of honey, and I haven't tasted this one, but I saw this one on TV in National Geographic channel. And what they do is that they just keep on stretching honey until, I don't know, you watch that there in Korea someday
No, in the TV.
in the TV. So this is how it looks like. Let's open it. Actually, pasensya na guys ha pag nakita nyo lima na lang. So this is how it looks like inside. So this is the box. It has 10 pieces inside, and it has 2 flavors. What are the flavors?
Almond and chocolate.
Almond and chocolate. So this one, Korea traditional sweet. So let's open. Guys, we're gonna do some taste test.
What?
No, it's gonna be a first impression for me and Yana, and a multiple impression for Sasha because she already tried. So look at that. So if you can see, so it looks like a ball of thread. Probably it's because the honey has already been stretched like a million, or not a million, maybe 100 times or more. So it would appear thread-like, and it has some fillings inside, I guess. Smell test. Smell test. How does it smell? Smells like smells like nuts.
Paste.
No.
Smells like.
So this
peanut.
time we're gonna do a taste test. Try. There are only 3. I think there are only 3 chocolate and then 2 peanuts. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do the taste test. Let's do the chocolate first, para.
Where's the
I
chocolate?
think this one. Oh my God. Wait, not yet done.
Okay, I'll wait for you.
So again, a closer look. Go kaya akong kuko.
I think there's nuts inside.
There's nuts inside.
No, that's chocolate.
So you see, it's like red.
Chocolate is like.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. No, I didn't expect that.
That's nuts.
No, I thought it was like gooey.
No. It's all of them are inside is chocolate and nuts.
Actually, the first expectation was when you make the first bite.
At my teeth.
Yeah, that's why. I thought it was some kind of chewy and it easily melts.
No.
But actually it doesn't. In fact, I
You have
thought-
to chew it.
you have to chew it. It's chewy, but it's kind of hard and it tends to stick on your teeth.
That's just honey.
Yeah, let's do another bite. Look at inside.
Oh.
You don't like? You don't like?
I don't know.
Oh, let's call a special guest. Drum roll, please.
Tita Sige! Riba! Vamos.
Taste test, first impression. This is what you call the Korean traditional sweet. Ano yun mo kay pinakain mo? See, so
Tagak-tagak man ni
yeah, you think like it's not gonna fall. I mean the pieces, but they do come up. But this time we'll try the other flavor. I don't know what flavor is this. Oh, you finish that one.
What's that flavor?
1, 2, 3, go.
Have you tried it? I haven't tried the other flavor.
Mura siya upuan. Bunot bahal ng paso.
Ha.
This one has chocolate flavor inside. Of course, the honey, you know, the thread. Why is it called Korean beard candy?
It should be hair candy.
Because it looks like a beard.
But
See, oh?
it's better hair.
Because diba, kabantay mo when you stretch the honey, and then there tends to, you know, kanang, mura siya noodles ba? That every time you stretch until daghan na siya strands, and then they wrap around the nuts and the chocolate. But it tastes good. It's sweet.
What's wrong with the pink?
Actually, I cannot feel the honey. It feels like you're eating sugar candy. Where's the
What's wrong with the pink?
All in all, what can you say, guys? On a scale from 1 to 10, what's your score?
9.
How about you? What's your score? 1
1
being the lowest, 10 being the highest.
I want 10.
You like 10? You like it?
Yeah.
And you're 9? Me? Yeah, 9. Because I'm a fan of sweet and salty kind of food, so. But this is good. And to cap it off, let me take the final bite.
Who is the winner? Who is the winner?
It's sticking in my... Anyway, there's no art. Actually, I grew up for this girl.
Hi!
Where's your art?
Paint.
What's
My
the name of this, girls?
Beard candy.
Beard candy. Korea traditional sweet.
I'm not
beard
even
candy.
talking. With the Haruka touch of the beard onto the beard.
And so, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
And bye.
And bye!
Like, subscribe, and share, and subscribe to Sacred Heart. Bye!
done with the video,
After we're done with the video, we're done with the video. Then after we'll wake up to 5. Then after when we go by, me and Tita Isa will switch, and after I'll say, please subscribe to our channels.